kiss, Robert. Let him give you kisses. No.
Oh, you being a chicken? Oh, no. He gives nice kisses. Oh, good boy there.
He likes you, huh? Sue, yeah, she's doing his hair. Oh, he gave you kisses! Bear! Robert, hold Bear up's face over here. Bear! Bear! I'm actually videotaping it. Hey, Bear. Toto likes you too, huh? Robert, do you want to work here? Do you want to work here? You want to be the dog petter?
Dog petter?
Yeah. You could be the welcomee or the welcomer. How about that?